Welcome to the briefing on our last Business Innovator workshop for the year. It's been a fantastic year and we've had lots of challenges which we've dealt with. This coming meeting we're going to talk about people performance, how to actually do less and get more out of your team by looking at the current trends and challenges that we are faced when we're leading teams. And obviously it's probably the most difficult part of any business. This year we've had 4 sessions. This will be the 4th. Leadership resilience was our first. Our second one we talked about taking control of growth, and the third area we've talked about is innovation and the role of a leader in innovation. And so this last session we're going to actually finish off by talking about your people's performance. The subject matter will be full of workshops, worksheets, team discussions, videos, and a lot of other content. We're going to cover the 4 areas of key performance. We're going to look at how the trend of business is leading to changes in business structure to get performance out of our teams. We're going to talk about how to actually run focused meetings and what a meeting should be about. We're going to talk about handling performance and issues inside a team. And we're going to talk about 4 tips for effective business communication. How do we get our message through our team so they understand? We're then going to actually look at people and the team and the inefficiencies in team, and we're actually going to look at 6 areas of key inefficiencies in the performance of the team and how to resolve that. And at the end, we're actually going to then look at how we can use peer problem-solving techniques to get our teams involved in handling the challenges of managing themselves and your business. So a really full-on time. We're looking forward to seeing you next week at CSU campus in Dubbo, starting at 1 o'clock for lunch. Join us for our Christmas celebration. Then we'll have a workshop from 1:30 through until 5, finish on time. So next week on the 25th of November, Monday. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.